Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your full credit report from Experian. Checking your credit report regularly is crucial for staying on top of your finances and spotting potential errors. So let's get started. First, go to Experian's official website at experian.com. You will see an option for a free credit report. The Credit Reporting Act, you are entitled to one free report every 12 months from each of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. To access your report, you will need to either log into your Experian account or create one if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions about past address, loans, of other financial details. Once you are logged in, navigate to the credit report section. Here you can view and download the full credit report. Make sure to save a copy of your records. Your credit report is divided into several options. Um, Personal information, check for accuracy in your name, addresses, and social security number. Accounts and payment history, review all open and closed credit accounts, payment history, and balances. See who checked your credit and where it's hard to soft inquiry. Navigate information. Look for any late payments, collections, and bankruptcies that could be impacting your credit score. If you spot any errors, don't worry. You can dispute the incorrect information directly through Experian website. Regularly checking your credit report helps you stay informed and take control of your financial health. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.